Hello world! In this tutorial I'm going to show you how easy it is to have automatic deploys using Netlify when connected to your GitHub account. So in a previous live stream we built this simple application which has a list of countries and you can filter through them by region, let's say all the countries from Europe, and also if you click on any of it a modal will pop up with more information about that country. You can close it, and also we have light and dark mode here. In case you missed the live stream, I'm going to put a link in the description below so you can check it out. Okay, but now let's say we want to put this up online somewhere and have a link so we can share it with potential clients or maybe future employers or something. Because as you can see now, it's on my local host. So for that, first thing is to upload it on GitHub. Create a repository and put the entire code here on GitHub. This is a public repository, but you can have a free repository also. I'm not going to go over how to create a repository and how to add your code on GitHub now. If you don't know, let me know and I'm going to create another tutorial about that. But for now, I'm going to assume that you know how to do that. Good. So we have our code on GitHub. Next, I showed you how you can add a static website on Netlify. Basically, we have a folder on our desktop and we just drag it in this field here and it will deploy on Netlify with a custom link. But we don't want to always drag and drop the project. What we want is just to push the GitHub repository and let Netlify do the automatic deploy for you. So you don't have to worry about that. Let's say you have a project for a client and you have the website somewhere live and you want to do a small modification that a client asked you for. So you just push the GitHub repository and then the client can see the changes. Alright, so let's get our repository now. We can click this button here, new site from Git. Click GitHub. You can also have GitLab and Bitbucket, whichever you like. We have GitHub here. Alright, we are authorized now and we can search for our repo. Countries like that. Okay, we click here and Netlify already takes the branch to be master. You can change that if you want. Alright, we don't have any build commands, so we can just press the deploy site button here. And it takes just a couple of seconds and look at that. It's deployed. Now if we click on this link, we have the entire website up on this URL. So you can share this URL now with everybody and they can see your website. So it's functional. You can see all the functionalities are working. Now, the cool part is if we are going to change something, let's see, we're going to change the background color. For some reason, you want to be red. So we go to the code. Here is the code for the website. Let me increase the font here. And we go to the style. And instead of a white background, let's make it purple or red or whatever. We comment this out and we save it. Alright, and now we're pushing it to the GitHub repository with git commit, let's say purple background, and git push like that. Okay, it takes a couple of seconds. Let's go now to our GitHub repository to see if it was pushed. Refresh. Okay, look at that. So we have changed the style CSS 33 seconds ago. Perfect. Let's go to our Netlify and see if it was deployed. Refresh here also. Look at that. So it automatically deployed. Purple background. Awesome. Now let's check the custom site Netlify provided. Look at that. Everything is now very both pretty with a purple. How easy was that? So just push to the GitHub repository and Netlify does everything for you. Let's quickly change that back to a nice white color. So we save that and we do git commit. Sorry, mistake. And we push again. Wait for a couple of seconds. Let's go quickly to Netlify, refresh. You can see that's building and published already. See how fast it is? And now refresh here. And look at that, we fixed the error. Awesome. That's pretty much it for this tutorial. I really hope you enjoyed it. If you did, give it a like, subscribe for more videos like this, and I'll see you in the next tutorial. Bye!